Don't do it, even if it works. Using a low-voltage charger for your laptop isn't just risky, it's downright dangerous. Using a low-voltage charger might seem harmless, but it can lead to some serious issues. First up, insufficient power. Your laptop may charge super slowly or not at all, and it might even refuse to turn on. Next, potential damage. Consistently using the wrong charger can harm your laptop's internal circuitry and battery. It's not just about short-term issues. Over time, this can degrade your battery health, shortening its lifespan. Plus, you could face system stability problems. Think performance issues, throttling, or unexpected shutdowns. Not fun. So, what's the fix? Always use the original charger, or a manufacturer-recommended equivalent. Check the voltage and wattage ratings. Avoid dodgy third-party chargers. And if you're using USB-C, make sure it's a power delivery charger. If you're stuck with a low-voltage charger temporarily, keep an eye on your laptop's performance and switch back to the right one, ASAP. Remember, the right charger keeps your laptop running smoothly. Like and share for more tips.